Hey, what up y'all, it's your girl Latoya. Welcome back again to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in, and if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's stay tuned. In today's video I will be talking about certain tools what I use throughout the week for my skincare, and is it worth it using these tools. Well, a lot of people, you know, you love to do like a home spa and people don't like to go and get facials or whatsoever. You can do the same thing at home for a cheaper price, or you can do both, you know. So let's get straight into this video and keep on watching. So the first product, the first tool what I want to show you guys is this Dermarolling. Dermarolling was like a very hype stuff. Is it worth it or is it not worth it? Well, it depends on, everybody has to like try it out for their own skin if it really works or not. And if you want to learn a little bit more about Dermarolling, check out my guy Mad About Skin. He has amazing videos, so I'm shouting him out because I really love his videos, and it teach me also more what about skincare and stuff. But Dermarolling, I would say for me personally, didn't really help me with my hyperpigmentation or whatsoever, because I don't know, I haven't, but this is one tool what I would say did not really help me. That is really not my kind of stuff. But anyway, and the next product is a face steamer. I bought this off of Amazon, and I got this for a very good price. At that time, I know they had like Black Sale or Black Friday or whatsoever you call it, or Amazon Day or Prime Day. What the hell. So this, I would say this face steamer is amazing. You just put the water inside of here. You can just normal water from the pipe, or you can use bottled water as well. You know, some people don't really use pipe water. And then plug it in, press the button right down here, and it just starts to steam up. Like, it takes like around 30 seconds, and then it starts to steam up. This is what I do. Coming to the video with the face mask, just check that video out right there. I will have it listed right here. So what I really like is, like, when I have on my face mask, this is a tip from me. Put your face mask on, and then you go under the steamer like this, and your pores are going to get open because of the heat and the steam, and it's actually going to suck up more of the product on your face. So that's a good tip of mine, and I noticed really good changes in that. What is really good. And steamer is like a face steamer is very good. I would say if to open up your pores and like to clean out your face. And there we are coming to this best soap. I got this as a present, and inside here there are different type of tools. I just keep those tools what I really use. So this tool right here I use like when I'm finished under the steamer, and using everything else. This tool right here I use like for my blackheads, and this is like what, like if I have like a pimple, I just poke it and just squeeze it out, wipe it out and everything. And these tools, how I prepare them, I always sterilize my tools, like all these tools right here and everything. This is like for ingrown hair. Yes, some people or some women get ingrown hair on their face. It's nothing to be ashamed about. I mean, I have like 1 or 2 hair on my chin. I don't afraid to say that because I'm human, and yeah, like that's how life is. But anyway, I pluck those hairs, and after, like, when I'm finished and I let my skin like steam, and then I take my 2% BHA exfoliant. Everybody know I hype this product so much, and I just so in love. I'm so obsessed with it, with Paula's Choice. You just changed my skin game, my skincare routine. It changed it a lot. And then I put it on my face and let my pores suck up the product on my face, so everything, and when I go to bed and everything is like so smooth and wonderful and nice, and when I wake up in the morning, my god, my skin is like so radiant and glowy and stuff. But this is what I came here for, and I show you guys these tools what I use throughout the week if I don't go and do a facial. I do a facial like once a month, but you know, to get like all the build up and clog pores, who wears makeup and everything. This is like also to treat your skin, to get to know how to learn your skin better and improve on it. So you guys, if you like my video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.